it's me, Alicia, and I know it's been a few days since I uploaded my last video, but I'm back. I've been a little under the weather. I was actually in the hospital with really bad chest pain. Like, I thought I was having a heart attack. But yeah, thanks for those of you guys who have been checking up on us. We are also in the process of moving, so the next few videos you guys will see in this house, but after that we'll be in a whole nother house. So yeah, but anyways, this unit, you guys know already, one of my favorite wig shops, which is premierlacewigs.com. I'll be sure to leave all the information down below, but I did pick up their 22-inch silky straight lace front wig. I do believe this is in 150% density. I do have a giveaway coming up for a unit very similar to this, but it's an ombre unit, because a lot of you guys have been asking me to either sell you my units or give you my units, so I decided to host a giveaway on that one. So be sure you guys do hit the notification button so that you guys do not miss that giveaway, because I will not be titling the video giveaway, okay? And yeah, but anyways, you guys, this is how I pretty much get on my units. I will leave a few videos down below in case you guys want to see how I do this in depthly. Those baby hairs did not come with the unit. I did create them myself. I've been meaning to record a video on how I pluck my baby hairs. I'll be sure to do that this weekend, so you guys can see that. However, this is the way the hair is looking like. It's very soft. A lot of you guys have been commenting saying that you guys get the units and it doesn't really look like mine's. So I know that's one of the biggest problems when it comes down to wig companies. However, one thing I do find is that when I first get the wig, it actually doesn't look like the way you see it on the video either. I wash it first, okay? That's the most important part of your wig processing, is I do wash my wigs first, and I don't use just any kind of shampoo or conditioner. I use silicone mix. It is kind of expensive. I get mine from Amazon. I do get like a huge tub and it's like 20 bucks. For some reason, the silicone that's in silicone mix does something to the hair, which kind of strips it from the chemicals that companies put on their hair. I don't even know if they put chemicals on it, but I like to use it, and it pretty much removes it, and it makes the hair feel brand new, or it makes it feel like $1,000,000. So I'll leave some links down below so you guys can pick that up if you are interested, and that is not sponsored, okay? But anyways, this is what the unit is looking like. Again, this comes from premierlacewigs.com. Again, thank you guys for your support, and make sure you guys do check out my giveaway coming up soon. Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.